This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 371 MBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a titanium interior, sleeps 8, oven, LP detector, skylight, spare tire kit, self-contained, smoke detector, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, TV antenna, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 371 MBH is 12,797 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 371 MBH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.